Hey guys, welcome to EduTech Rohit. Guys, in this video, I will tell you about secret task and secret command post. There you can complete your task and assist your allies to get lots of rewards, experience chest, and other rewards. So you just have to complete 7 tasks in this secret task section and make sure to just deploy 2 heroes per task, okay, so that you can complete all 7 tasks in one go. So as you can see, I have chosen only 2 out of 3. You can select 3, but it will not give you more benefits because you'll have to wait for another task to get completed to deploy all heroes. So you just have to deploy 2 heroes like me. You can see I am going to deploy only 2 heroes per task so that I can distribute all the heroes to 7 tasks and complete it all in one go. So you can see all my heroes are now busy and all the tasks are now going on. So you can also complete this by this trick. Just deploy 2 heroes per task. Also complete ally task. The higher ones get you more rewards like this. So you have to wait for some time and grab this ally tasks. Okay, there are many people try to grab this, so you just have to be on time. There's also hidden treasure in command posts. You just have to collect all the pieces of maps and dig for treasure, and you'll get rewards like rare chest, epic chest, and legendary chest. There are lots of rewards, and there's a sure reward after 15th try. Okay, you can also exchange items with your alliance which are not allocated to you. You can grab them by exchanging extras with your alliance. So that's all for today.